Today in chapter number 4, Weather and Climate, the topic is factors that influence climate. Now the first factor is latitude or distance from the equator. See, the earth's surface is heated by the rays of the sun. Places located on or near the equator received direct rays of the sun, while places near the two poles receive the slanting rays of the sun. Okay, you might have been learning about this latitude or knowing about this latitude from your chapter number 2. So what do you mean by latitude? Latitude means the horizontal lines which run across the globe. So as these rays are falling directly on the equator, it makes the earth much more heated as compared to the rays which fall on the poles. Why? Because these area or the area which is near the equator or area which is in the center of the earth received direct rays, but the areas which are at the poles receive slanting rays. Slanting means the rays which are not straight or not direct. It is far away from the sun as compared to this part. You might have been seeing this part is nearer to the sun as compared to this part, and it also receives slanting rays. So obviously this part will receive more heat as compared to this. Only this is written, latitude or distance from the equator. As we go nearer to the equator, it will be more heated, or much more heated will be here, and as we go away from the equator, as we go towards the poles, we will receive slanting rays, or it will be much colder as compared to that of equator. Okay, now the second topic, altitude or height above the sea level. Now what do you mean by altitude? Altitude means height. Okay, so you might have been visited any hill station or as such area. There you might have been knowing the difference between Jhansi or this plain area as compared to hilly station. Now what you may have observed? You might have observed that hill stations are colder than the areas which are plains like Jhansi. So see what it is written, the rays of the sun heat the surface of the earth. Places at higher altitudes receive lesser heat than those places which are at lower altitudes. Lower altitude means plains or the areas which are not hills. The temperature decreases as the height of the land increases. The height as increases, like for example these mountains are, you can see, hilly areas you can see, as we move upward towards the hilltop area or upward area, it will receive lesser heat of the sun as compared to lower part of the earth. Okay, see it is written here also. This is the reason why hill stations are cooler than plains even in summers. Most peaks in the Himalayan mountains remain snow covered even during summer. Okay, so the basics are that as the height above the sea level or as the height above the land increases, there we will receive lesser and lesser heat as compared to the plains. That's it for today. I will cover the other topics in the next video. Thank you.